thunder of precision. German power in a compact frame. Welcome to Tactical Edge. The HK421 is Heckler & Koch's answer to the need for 7.62 by 51 mm firepower with modern ergonomics. Built on the proven HK416 architecture, but scaled for full-power NATO rounds, the HK421 pairs a short-stroke piston and adjustable gas system with a lightweight upper receiver and full modular rails. The result? Improved muzzle control and repeatable accuracy at extended ranges, effective engagement out to roughly 800 meters, while keeping soldier mobility high. Mag options and accessory compatibility let units configure the rifle as a battle rifle, designated marksman tool, or patrol weapon. Strengths: superior penetration and terminal effect, excellent ergonomics for a heavy caliber, and high modularity. Trade-offs: greater recoil and weight versus 5.56 platforms, higher cost, and more maintenance and logistics for 7.62 supply. Practical choice: specialist infantry and teams needing real stopping power at medium to long ranges. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Tactical Edge for more concise weapons breakdowns.